Hello, my name is Ken, and today I'm going to show my friend Jennifer how to make a dirty martini, but not just a regular dirty martini. This is a Ken dirty martini, and it will be made with Grey Goose. Step 1, get some crushed ice, Christopher, crushed ice out of your ice maker, like this. Keep going. Just like that. Now we will contemplate the vessels which we will be serving this fantastic beverage in. I have chosen 2 different but similar martini glasses. Right now, they have crushed ice and ice cold water cooling them down, getting ready for the mixture. Okay, we are going to use a shot glass, a regular small 1-ounce shot glass. I do not normally use a shot glass, for the record, but today we're going to use a shot glass. 1, 2, 3. That is all. Next, we are going to use some green olives, and we are going to use, let's see how much we're going to use. I would say about 3/4 of a shot glass. Oh, that's lovely. As a side note, you could also put in just a little tiny bit, maybe a teaspoonful of peppercini liquid, but that's a side note. Next, we're going to get rid of the ice cold water because the glass is perfectly chilled. Look at that. Then we will skewer as many green olives as you would like. Normally I do about 3. Wonderful. Next, something that is often overlooked, a splash of water. Let's go back over here. Just about that much. Put the cover on and shake thusly. Not like this, like this. About 10 seconds. Take the cover off and pour. With a little pizzazz. I just want to show, can you come in for a close shot? How perfect that is.
Ooh, that is fantastic.
And that, my dear friend Jennifer, is how you make a dirty martini.